Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to expand image with generative fill for free without using Photoshop. For the video, we are going to use another website and that is also from Adobe. So the website in question that we are going to use is called Firefly. So just simply type in Adobe Firefly podcast. Open the first link over here. Now again, you can use this feature for free and I'm going to show you how. But before that, you should have your Adobe account over here, and if you don't have one, just simply create one. It's absolutely free. Then click on Get Firefly for free. Now give it a few seconds, and after that, when you will be in the dashboard, you'll find a lot of options as you can see right over here. The option that we are looking for is called Generative Fill, which is right over here. Click on Generate over here. Now you will have few options. The first option is you can upload your very own image, or you can just simply play around with the images already in Adobe. So as you can see right over here, this is one example. Here is another example. So for this video, I'm going to add an image of my own. Click on upload image and then simply upload your image, whatever you want. So as you can see, I have uploaded a simple image. Now over here, you will have few options again. Like in the left hand side column, you will have three options: insert, remove, or pan. So the pan option is basically you can just simply hold the image and move around. The insert is you can just simply mask some areas and then you can add prompt and ask them fill that particular area. And remove is exactly opposite if you want to remove some part of the image. Now I'm going to show you how to insert something. So in order for you to insert anything, and just simply draw over the part which you want to remove or replace. So let's say I want to add something right over on the bridge. I'll just simply add that. You will have a dialog box appearing in the bottom. Over here, just simply write whatever you want. So for example, a dog. So I'm going to just simply do a simple thing. So click on generate and now let's wait for the result. So as you can see right over here, it gave us few results. Now obviously we'll have few options down below to change it. You can also click on more to get more options. Now as you can see, these are few options. Now if you don't want any image, you can just simply click on cancel and it will go back to normal. But if you like an image, you can just simply click on keep and the image will stay. Now if you want to be more creative with your prompts, you can do something like this. So firstly make an area and now add a prompt. So as you can see, I gave a simple prompt. Now just simply hit enter. Over here in the filter option, you will have few options. So you can just simply play around with that as well. So as you can see, it came up with the result. Now obviously you can play around with the images down over here too. Then if you want any of the images, click on keep. Now lastly, if you want to remove everything or just simply want a particular person, click on background over here. Now it will remove your background for you. So as you can see right over here. Now if you want to remove anything more, click on the remove option, just simply draw him out. Just like that. Then click on remove. Now like this way you can remove the entire background as well. And after that you can add your very own background. So I'm going to show you how. So click on insert option and choose a forest maybe for example and click on enter. So as you can see right over here, it gave us a forest which is quite good looking as well. You have to play around with the images and generate more images to get the best result. As you can see, it came up with results again. So I like this one with the most, so I'm going to keep it. So click on keep and you will have your image. Now to download the image, all you have to do is download and you will be able to download the image. Click on this checkbox and click on continue. Now the downloading should start in a second, and just like that you will have the option to download the image. That's it, and thank you for watching. Do like, subscribe to our channel. Take care.